Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add another account on Facebook. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to our main menu here and then just scroll down and let's go to the part that says go out, log out. So let's click here and let's press log out. And then when you're logged out from your account, just select the one that you say use another profile. Just click here and you can add here the phone number or email address from your account on Facebook, as well as your password. So the only thing that you have to do is select the account that you want and then just click on login. When you do it, you will add another account on Facebook like this one. I have two profiles, as you can see. I have one and two profiles here on Facebook, and I can log it in whatever profile I prefer. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.